What we have here today is a completely rebuilt Webster vibratory conveyor. This has a 7.5 horsepower three-phase motor. It is a 1740 RPM, 208, 230, 480 volts, 3 voltages. Get a picture or show you the tag now. Pause here if you want to see the pertinent information. There will also be pictures. This unit is 17 feet 6 inches long. This is robust and heavy duty. The steel is, I believe, 3/8 thick. You can see there. You will not be wearing this out. Works good for a pit or something like that, or moving even scrap. The last ones we sold to a scrap processor. She's 24 inches wide in the bottom, 17 foot 6 inches long, 8 foot deep at the wide part out here on the edge. She's 33 inches wide at the top where it's flanged. Everything has been gone through and checked over. It's dusty from being in storage in our warehouse. Everything about this is heavy duty conveyance. Look at those bearings there. She has a 5/8 stroke. Everything about it is heavy duty. Right down to the Scotch plies. She can be disassembled if you need to get her into a building. It has a seam right there. Everything is rebuilt, ready to go. She's been sandblasted and painted and put in order. So if you're interested in this unit, please give us a call. Commodity Traders International in Mattoon, Illinois. Thank you.